Earlier, we spoke about the family traditions, family culture, and then we came down to three main factors which affect the happiness of a family. The first was interpersonal communication. आपस में कैसे संबंध होने चाहिए, किस तरह से हमें बातचीत करनी चाहिए, मान सम्मान रखना चाहिए. Thereafter, we came down to the health. Health is wealth. यदि हमारे घर के अंदर किसी की भी कोई एक व्यक्ति की भी तबीयत ठीक नहीं है, will not be able to enjoy the complete family life as such. And today we come to the money. Managing money matters. Why money is important? Now let us see. As per our भारतीय culture, हम उसको पुरुषार्थ बोलते हैं. पुरुषार्थ का मतलब ये है कि what is the purpose of this particular life? Why do we come here? तो हमारे कल्चर के अंदर चार तरह के पुरुषार्थ बताए गए हैं. धर्म, अर्थ, काम और मोक्ष. धर्म का मतलब है एथिक्स. Basically, it is related with education. It is related with the gyan. And then second is earth. To lead a proper life, we are supposed to earn something. संपत्ति ये सब कुछ चीजें हमें इकट्ठी करनी पड़ेगी so that our whole family can enjoy the period into this particular life. So I just stop at this second पुरुषार्थ कि हमारा एक काम है, हमारा एक पर्पज है, हमारा एक ध्येय ये भी है कि जिंदगी के अंदर हमें कुछ न कुछ कमाना पड़ेगा. Now, along with this, there is something else what we say. It is the काम, दाम and नाम. हमें कुछ कार्य करना पड़ेगा, काम करना पड़ेगा, और जब हम काम करते हैं उससे पहले we are supposed to study something. We are supposed to have certain expertise so that we can work in that particular field and we can earn some money. कार्य करेंगे तो आपको दाम मिलेगा. And then in our life, a stage comes around 50-55 that you are not worrying much about the money. ठीक है, जो भी है पैसे ठीक है. Now you want, there is something called Maslow's pyramid of hierarchy. You reach to the top. Your physical needs, your social needs, your security needs, all needs have been met. And now you come to the top that yes, now I want to enjoy. Esteem needs. And then comes the actualization, that is what we call moksha. So here basically there is a combination कि आपने पैसे कमाने हैं, पैसे इसलिए कमाने हैं कि या तो आपको नाम चाहिए या तो you want to do something in your life so that people remember you once you go off from here. So दाम, पैसा, it is very important. हम ऐसा भी बोलते हैं गुजराती के अंदर. I hope everybody understands little bit of Gujarati because I'll be generally mixing around all the three languages. हमारी राष्ट्रभाषा और मातृभाषा और तीसरी है जो फॉरेन लैंग्वेज इंग्लिश. So I'll be just mixing around. गुजराती में एक बहुत अच्छी कहावत है, पैसा वगरनो घेलो, घेलो मीन्स गांडो. पैसा वगरनो घेलो અને સાબુ વગરનો મેલો. જેની પાસે પૈસા હોય એને કોઈ પણ વ્યક્તિ એને ઘેલો ગાંડો નહીં કે એને આમાં ડાયો જ કહેશે. જેમ આપણે નથી કહેતા કે નાણા વગર નાથિયો અને નાણે નાથા લાલ. જ્યારે પૈસા આવી જાય ત્યારે બધા જ તમારી પાસે આવે, તમારે માન સન્માનથી બોલાવે કે નાથા ભાઈ આવો બેસો, શું પીશો, ચા પીશો, ઠંડુ પીશો, કોફી પીશો. That importance, that prestige, that Sanman is not being given to Natha Bhai. It is being given to the money what he possesses. નાણે નાથા લાલ. તો પૈસા વગરનો ઘેલો અને જ્યારે તમારી પાસે પૈસા હોય તો એની સાથે તમે ડાયા થઈ જાઓ. અને સાબુ વગરનો મેલો, જ્યારે તમારી પાસે સાબુ હોય તો તમે ઉજળા થાઓ. અને જે આપણી જે ઉજળિયાત છે, આપણે જે ઉજળા દેખાતા હોઈએ છીએ so called socially, that is because of the money and not because of the inner qualities. So here all these things, if you combine, money does have lots of importance in our life. हम सब लोग ब्रह्मचर्य जीवन तो गुजार नहीं सकते हैं. After all, most of us are married. We can't become our late President Abdul Kalam or Atal Bihari Vajpayee or our present Prime Minister Narendra Modi. We have got our family to look after. We can't all of a sudden leave the society and go to the jungle. No, it is not possible. So to look after our family, money matters. पैसा की हमें बहुत जरूरत है। I want to give you, just let's go to the next slide. This particular lecture, next, I divided into 4 stages just so that for easy assimilation you can understand. Firstly, I want to tell you what is the connection, what is the relation between you and money. कोई ना कोई संबंध हमारे बीच में होगा, इसलिए हम मनी पैसे के लिए इतना तलपापड़ हो जाते हैं, कुछ कमाने के लिए, आगे बढ़ने के लिए. So that connection we want to establish. What's the relation between we people and the money? Second, we come out. Second part is it's related with our family, money and the family. What's the importance of money in our family? और ये पैसों का इस्तेमाल हम किस तरह से कर सकते हैं? Third is budgeting. How do we make a budget? Family ka budget. I'm not talking about the Gujarat state budget or state country budget, national budget. No, I'm just talking about the small budget, whatever we have, income and expenditure at our family level. And last, I'll just talk a little in brief about ethics. कि पैसे इस तरह से कमाने चाहिए कि जिसके ऊपर मैं गर्व हो. No corruption involved. No corruption to be involved in our earning system, earning pattern. So the first part is money and you. Next slide. These are the goals. Our life is like a rainbow, and rainbow has got 7 colors. So similarly, we have got 7 important, very, very important aspects of our life. They're interconnected, but they have got different separate division also. અને આ બધામાંથી આ સાથે સાથ ભાગમાંથી આ સાથે સાથ રંગમાંથી એક પણ રંગ ઝાંખો થઈ જાય અથવા તો જતો રહે તો પછી આપણને જીવન જીવવાનું મજા નહીં આવે. ફિઝિકલ એસ્પેક્ટ, ધેટ ઇઝ અવર શારીરિક શક્તિ, સ્વાસ્થ્ય. જો અત્યારે આપણે કોવિડના ભયથી આપણા ઘરમાં બેઠેલા છીએ અને જે લોકો કોવિડથી હોસ્પિટલમાં છે ને lots of people have died, more than 1 lakh people have died all over the world. સ્વાસ્થ્ય, that's the first aspect. पहलू सूखते जाते हैं. Second is mental aspect, our emotional aspect. We should be mentally all right. We should be a balanced personality. Discretion, हमारे में विवेक होना चाहिए कि जिस विवेक की मदद से हम लोगों के साथ अपना संबंध बनाए और उसको बढ़ाए रखें. फोर्थ इज कैरियर प्रोस्पेक्ट. काम करना पड़ेगा, काम नहीं करेंगे तो कुछ मजा नहीं आएगा. हम गुजरात में बोलते हैं कि पहले पढ़ो, उसके बाद में नौकरी, और नौकरी પછી છોકરી. જો નોકરી નહીં મળી તો પછી છોકરી પણ નહીં મળી. You cannot start your ગૃહસ્થાશ્રમ. So to establish a proper family life, you need some income, and for that you got to decide about the career prospect. That's the third important part of our life. Career gives you financial soundness. કેટલા પૈસા તમે કમાઓ છો? How much are you saving for the future, saving for the rainy days, and what are you spending presently to look after yourself and your family? Then comes family needs, social responsibility, and then comes spiritual backing, the faith on God. So you've got to combine all these aspects to lead a very happy life. And in this particular thing, today we are talking about financial aspect. Now just think about this, my dear friend, कि we might have everything. बड़े अच्छे तगड़े हम व्यक्ति हैं, पूरा निरोगी है, हम पढ़े लिखे हैं. कई ऐसे लोग हैं. They may be highly educated, highly literate, graduation, post-graduation, but they don't have a job. And when they don't have a job, they don't earn anything. And therefore, we need some job, some sort of job to earn money, and we can strive in this particular life. So one of the goals of our life, earlier I said, जो एक पुरुषार्थ है हमारा, अर्थ, कुछ पैसा, कुछ संपत्ति इकट्ठी करनी है, कुछ दाम कमाने के लिए कुछ काम हमें करना पड़ेगा. So that is what the importance of money and work and money. Both of them, they go simultaneously. Next. Now you will be surprised why I am getting the name of this gentleman, Sikandar. I'm a student of history. I can tell you a lot of things about the Sikandar and his invasion, and he came down to the Indian borders. But તમે બધાએ પણ બે વસ્તુ બે નાની નાની દંતકથાઓ I do not know whether they are correct or not, but yes, that is more famous than the whole history of Alexander the Great. One, when he crossed river Hydaspes मतलब basically Jhelum. Jhelum નદી ક્રોસ કરીને અને જ્યારે રાજા પોરસ ઉપર એટેક કર્યો અને પોરસને જીતી લીધું, he was captured, he was imprisoned. He was chained and then he was produced in the court of Sikandar. Sikandar, a great chap, he just said, yes, King Porus, what should I do? आपके साथ किस तरह का सलूक किया जाए? How should I behave with you? And Porus, it's a matter of lots of pride, he said, my dear king, you should behave with me like as a king behaves with a king. એક રાજાની સાથે તમે જે રીતનો વ્યવહાર કરતા હો છો, હું પણ રાજા છું, તમારે મારી સાથે એ રીતનો વ્યવહાર કરવો. And yes, Sikandar did the same thing. He was left open, he was given back his kingdom. And that is how the whole story goes. Second story, which is related with our today's lecture, money management. By the way, who was the guru of Sikandar? He was Aristotle, the philosopher. For almost 16 years, till 16 years he was being taught by, being tutored by Aristotle. અને એને એક દરખાસ્ત મોકલી સૌથી પહેલા કે it's fine, I'm conquering. He has come to Indian borders, present day Jhelum in Pakistan, Jhelum Nadi, all the way from Macedon, that is Greece, crossing thousands of kilometers. He had already told his ministers and others that when I die, जब मेरा जनाजा निकलता है उस वक्त मेरे जो हाथ है एकदम नीचे खुले रखने चाहिए, hanging down. They should not be kept along with my body. They shouldn't be tied down. So people, they were surprised कि वाह महाराज ऐसा क्यों करें हम, हाथ ऐसे नीचे लटकती वो क्यों रखे? It doesn't look nice. Such a great noble man, noble king. कहता है I want the people to see कि मेरे पास इतना है सब कुछ. I'm a great king. I have captured so many provinces, lots of wealth, lots of palaces, huge army. But you see now when I'm leaving this world, मैं पूरे खाली हाथ से जाता हूँ. खाली हाथ आया था और खाली हाथ में जाऊंगा. ये जो सब कुछ जो मैंने किया है वो सब कुछ यहाँ ही रह गया. And I want people to realize that fact and accordingly they must work in their life. So my dear friend, this is something for us also. Earn we must. उसके सिवा तो काम नहीं चलेगा. खाना कैसे खाएं? But कितना, how much? Where should we stop? There has to be a limit. કેટલું કામ આપણે કરીએ અને પછી જિંદગી 40 વર્ષ 50 વર્ષ it is fine, 55 સાલ ઠીક है, પરંતુ પછી આપણે ગધાડાની જેમ 60-70 વર્ષ સુધી કામ જ કરતા રહીએ. કામ તો અત્યારે હું પણ કરી રહ્યો છું. nearing 70 I'm working, but I'm not working for money now. I'm working for my satisfaction. मुझे अच्छा लगता है इसलिए मैं काम कर रहा हूँ. To speak for 1 hour again, I have to toil almost for 6-7 hours. I have to carry out my research. It's my work. I enjoy. But पैसा के लिए नहीं. A time, a set limit must come in our life. कि उसके बाद में जो है वो ठीक है, संतोष मानना चाहिए हमें. And we should stop working for the money. And खाली हाथ आए, खाली हाथ हम जाएंगे. At least we people must learn that great lesson from Alexander the Great. Next slide. Now here, money and you, what's our relations? Let us say I have given out certain words. Those words you try and just see, you ask the same question to you, to yourself, कि पैसों के साथ मेरा खुद का अपना क्या संबंध है. Next. If you don't earn, you are useless. તમે પૈસા નથી કમાતા, તમે નકામા માણસ છો. There is a difference between jobless and useless. Jobless इंसान वो है जो जॉब करना चाहता है, is trying very hard, परंतु એને યોગ્ય કામ મળતું નથી. Even અયોગ્ય કામ પણ નથી મળતું. He wants to take any work sometime, but it is not available to him. So that is jobless. But useless means काम है तो भी आप कुछ नहीं कर रहे हैं. નકામા, બહુ ગુજરાતીમાં સરસ, નકામો is totally bloody useless. Is of no use to anybody. Running after money, लोभी, कब तक भागते रहेंगे आप? पैसा का लोभ करना जरूरी है. I'll convert it. It's ambition. महत्वाकांक्षा होनी चाहिए. जब हम 20-25 साल के हैं, जैसे ही हमने अचानक हमारा पूरा एजुकेशन खत्म किया, we want to earn. Like when I joined the army, I also wanted to become an officer. I wanted to do a reasonably good standard of life. That's our right to go up the level of life standards. But how much? Till what? And सिर्फ पैसा के पीछे भागना है, लोभी बनना है. Storing in safe deposits. Safe deposit world के अंदर डाल देना है. तिजोरीઓની અંદર FD લઈ લેવી અને પછી આ જિંદગીની અંદર તમારે મજા જ નથી કરવી. કંજૂસ, મક્ખી ચૂસ. ગરમ દૂધની અંદર માખી પડી હોય અને પછી તમારે દૂધ ન ફેંકી દેવું, તમે એની સાથે સાથે તમે માખીને પણ આમ આગળથી નીચોવી નાખશો તો એનામાં જે દૂધ ગયેલું એ પણ પાછું ગ્લાસમાં આવે ને તમે એને પી જાઓ. That is called મક્ખી ચૂસ. Spending unnecessarily. It's a hard-earned money. How should you spend? Not lavish and extravagant, wasteful. ઉડાવું. અને let me tell you, તમે જો પૈસા જ ઉડાવતા રહો, આપણે કુબેર કહીએ છીએ. કુબેર is basically કુબેર. It is the Reserve Bank of India, RBI. पूरी दुनिया की RBI, it is there. And like what you have RBI governor, Kuber is looking after that treasury in Swarg. मैंने तो देखी नहीं है. Even if Kuber starts spending like this unwisely, એનો પણ જે કુબેરનો ભંડાર પણ જે છે એ પણ ખતમ થઈ જશે. Earning without efforts, કામ જ નથી કરવું અને તમારે જીતવું છે. Dishonest, unethic, unfair. With all these means you want to earn the money. Even gambling is also something earning without efforts. અને એટલા માટે સારું થયું કે ગુજરાતની અંદર આપણે એ લોટરી ટિકિટ્સ બધી બંધ કરાવી દીધી છે. I go often to Kerala, and mind you, I'm just telling you, Kerala, they have gambling legitimate thing, and state government is basically entering into lottery system. Their main income is coming out of lottery. Very dishonest on the part of Kerala government also, because you are making people, and everybody is not doing. How many people win the lottery? You know?
Example of America present situation. They don't save money.
Yeah. Earning with unfair means you become corrupt, antisocial, like during our Manmohan Singh's ministry, prime ministership for 10 years at central government. Just see how many scams. કેટલા બધા કૌભાંડો થયા. Whole economy went for a 6. નરેન્દ્રભાઈ મોદીને 5 વર્ષ લાગ્યા અને થોડી રેલ પર લાવવા માટે. And I'm very happy. The present ministry at central government, there is no corruption case against anybody. Forget our prime minister himself, not even any minister in the central government. Now I come to a proper way of spending the money, that is spending money with care and necessity. Thrifty. આપણે જેને કહીએ છીએ કરકસર, ત્રેવટ. બે વસ્તુઓ છે ઓપોઝિટ. એક તો ઉડાવ, તમે પૈસા વેડફી નાખો છો, ને બીજી બાજુ તમે પૈસા વાપરો છો. That is called કરકસર. That is what is required. Now there's so many words, many more words are there. No, my dear friends, I want all of you, almost 32, 34 participants are here. Find out what relation you have with the money. How do you look after, how do you earn the money, and how do you look after it? Just find it out. Just think over it. As to next, please. Another thing I want to tell you, a fact about money. Money is not supreme. પૈસા જોઈએ, પૈસા જોઈએ, પણ પૈસા જ બધું નથી. પૈસો મારો પરમેશ્વર અને હું પૈસાનો દાસ, એવું કેવી રીતે થઈ શકે? પૈસો આપણો દાસ હોવો જોઈએ. दास, I mean to say, I don't want to make our money as a servant or anything. लक्ष्मी देवी हम उनको पूजा करना चाहते हैं, उनको अच्छी तरह से मंदिर में बिठाना चाहते हैं, जिससे वो अपने आप को खुश रहे और हमें भी मदद करे. बट पैसे चाहिए, पैसा का हम दास नहीं बनना चाहते. Because we also understand in our life that money cannot provide you everything what you want. Let's see now. Next. Next, please. With money you can buy a house. आप बड़ा बंगला खरीद सकते हैं. Huge bungalow, crores of rupees, but not a home. Home is what? सिर्फ चार दीवारी नहीं है. उस घर के अंदर प्यार है, मोहब्बत है, विश्वास है आपस के अंदर. Home is totally different from house. एक घर है और एक बंगला है. With money you can buy a clock, but not time. बड़ी महंगी घड़ी आप खरीद सकते हैं. In fact, you can order some Swiss company, and those watches, you know, standard watches, branded for you, your names are there. It will cost you lakhs of rupees with money. But can you buy time? जब समय आ गया है, समय पूरा हो जाता है. We cannot wait for the time. This particular lecture also I need to finish by about 6:30. Maybe before that. Everything has got its own time. ये जो कोरोना भी आया, my dear friends, it has got its own time. Don't worry. जो आया है वो जाएगा. हजारों साल पहले ऐसी चीजें आती थी, ये भी जाएगा. यस, उसकी कोई एक इंप्रेशन हमारे पर रह के जाएगी. Maybe positive, maybe good impression, maybe bad impression, but it will go. With money you can buy a bed but not sleep. એક આલિશાન તમે શયન કક્ષ બનાવી શકો, સોનાનો પલંગ અને बहुत अच्छे डनलोप के गद्दे बद्दे. But what about sleep? ઊંઘ ના આવે તો? So many people, wealthy people, they can't sleep naturally, and therefore they resort to sleeping pills, and sometimes they die. Sleep comes when you are calm and quiet. You got peace of mind in your mind as well as in the family, which money cannot buy. Money may facilitate. With money you can buy a book but not knowledge. આપણે બધા ટેક્સ્ટ બુક ખરીદીએ છીએ. જો પૈસાથી ટેક્સ્ટ બુક પૈસાથી ખરીદીએ છીએ, પણ જો પૈસાથી જ આપણે ટેક્સ્ટ બુક ને એકદમ આપણા પચાવી નાખતા હોય, આપણા મનની અંદર બધું આવી જતું હોય અને પછી પરીક્ષા પેપર ફટાફટ લખી નાખતા, ઇટ ઇઝ નોટ પોસિબલ. જ્ઞાન તો આના છીએ. We have to understand the concept of the textbook, that subject. That doesn't come with the money. Next, please. With money you can see a doctor but not good health. You can see a doctor, you might charge hundreds of rupees, thousands of rupees. You can give a prescription, you can get admitted in a very nice hospital like Apollo or Sterling or anything. You can spend 10,000 rupees a day. But what? Health doesn't come through that. Health is your own perspective. Like yesterday we just saw that positive health. It consists of all the things: physical, psychological, social, economical, moral, spiritual. All these aspects that makes the holistic health, and that money cannot provide it. With money you can buy a position but not respect. पैसा से आप position ले लेते हैं, बड़े-बड़े लोग ये हो जाते हैं. Respect is commanded and not demanded. Commanded means yes, people will automatically respect you when they understand that you are a genuine person, you are a genuine leader, you are working for the people, you are a selfless leader, selfless person. With money you can buy blood but not life. खून खरीद सकते हैं, but जो जिंदगी देना है वो तो फिर ऊपर वाले के हाथ में है. तो how much immunity you got, how much willpower you have in your body, in your mind. With money you can buy sex but not love. Sex you can buy, you can go outside anywhere. पर जो प्यार है वो अपने लोगों से इससे मिलता है. So now my dear friend, there are so many things. I just given you certain examples only. There are so many situations, there are so many things which cannot be bought by money alone. And by the way, those situations are really the very precious situation in our life. So think of money, respect the money, but at the same time just see what money cannot buy and try and buy, try and receive, try and achieve those things through other means and not by money. Next, now this is very, this I've seen all throughout my life. How does the money comes? पैसे आता है ना, it comes with the speed of tortoise. Tortoise કેવી રીતે ચાલે? અહીંયા મેં ફરીથી એટલી નાનકડી જે વાર્તા છે, આપણે will not waste time, that સસલો અને કાચબો ધીમે ધીમે ચાલતો અને કાચબો ફટાફટ જમ્પ મારતો આગળ જતો રહેતો. પૈસા કાચવાની જેમ આવતા હોય છે ધીમે ધીમે. You have worked really very hard. And most of us, we are salaried people. We work for 25, 30 years and then only we are able to make our own home. We are able to tutor, educate our children, get them married, and that is how our life goes on. और जब निकल जाते हैं, अचानक निकल जाते हैं बच्चों को पढ़ाने में, जब कोई बीमार होता है, कोई घर बनाना होता है, कोई कार और ऐसी कोई चीज खरीदनी होती है, thousands and lakhs of rupees अचानक निकल जाते हैं. बट वही lakhs of rupees to earn and to save, it takes 1 or 2 decades altogether, my dear friend. And therefore you must understand कि ये जो पैसा की जो गति है आने की और जाने की एकदम अलग है. Once you realize this aspect of money movement, money motion, then automatically you will be able to apply that brake on your expenditure. So this is all about money, my dear friend. I wanted to give certain awakening, thoughts, some light I wanted to throw you. Okay, what sort of relations we should have with money, and what is money, how much, how it can help us, and how it can destroy us. Now we go over to second part of our lecture. That's money and family life. I give a beautiful picture. The home is being made with the love of our hands, our toil. If we work, then only we can make our home. Our home, આપણું ઘર. Next. Money management, right side can these pictures I taken during when change of notes, નોટબંધી થઈ હતી ત્યારે 3-4 વર્ષ પહેલા, So that's the time I had taken those pictures and kept them here. Money management in simple terms for the family, just at a very our level. That's the lowest level where we have to have money management. Just 4 steps: budgeting, saving, investing, and spending. Nothing else. Very simple thing. Budget. પૈસા કેવી રીતે આવે છે અને પૈસા કેવી રીતે જાય છે એનું આયોજન કરવું. આયોજન જે છે, that is called budgeting. We'll learn about budgeting in third part. Budgeting at home. I'm not the economist. I studied economics when I was doing my arts graduation, but I'm not an economist. But I had done budgeting for my own home and for our army organizations. Second is saving. Saving is required. Without saving, nothing is possible. You can't move ahead. Investing is also part of saving. Both are. Saving, certain saving you do at your own level, you keep the money at your home only, little bit of it. And another thing, you invest at your savings also gives certain returns on that particular saving. Your money gets multiplied, like fixed deposits or like some shares or mutual funds or other things. And then spending. किस तरह से आप खर्च करते हैं. Next, how do you plan at home? Money planning is 5 things we'll just see, but I just given you 2 pictures. In the top pictures, the whole family is together. And down below, it's a planning. How do you plan? How much money is coming in, how much money is going out. You take consensus, you ask everybody's opinion, राय लेते, उसके ऊपर विचार करते हैं. Next, 5 points are there. We'll just see. No secrets. આમાં કોઈ ખાનગી નથી આમ બધું જ it's totally open. So you have to follow at home. You have to follow a principle of 3 Ds: disclose, discuss, and decide. Disclose by તમારા મોટા છોકરાઓને થયા હોય છોકરાઓ જે પણ છે the adult member, even some adolescent young children also can join the part of this particular process. Sit down over a cup of tea or glass of milk. Come on, milk. Now to that haldi milk आ गया है, केसर हल्दी मिल्क. डिस्क्लोज केस भाई देखो इतने पैसे आ रहे एक साल के अंदर. How should we utilize this particular income? Discuss, make the plans, and then decide. When you are discussing, you're supposed to establish a financial goal. Every family has got a different financial goal. Saving for a house. તમારી પાસે જો તમારું પોતાનું ખુદનું ઘર ન હોય તો સૌથી પહેલા દરેક કુટુંબ એ જ ચાહતું હશે કે મારે પણ એક ઘર હોવું છે. ઘર તો મોટા ભાગે હોય છે. When I joined the army, I had 3 homes in my village. But when I joined the army, I just wanted, I must have some shelter in Ahmedabad. So the first thing I bought a flat in Ahmedabad. તમારું પોતાનું ઘર એવી જગ્યાએ કે જ્યાં તમે રહેવા માંગો છો. તો normally it is the house what you prefer. ઘણા લોકોની ઉપર દેવું પણ હોય છે. And in our system, family system, ભારતીય સંસ્કૃતિ કે અંદર તો यदि કુટુંબની ઉપર પણ દેવું હોય તો we are supposed to eliminate that. એ દેવું તમારી ભરપાઈ કરવાની આપણી moral responsibility, નૈતિક ફરજ છે. If you want to start a business after 3 years, 4 years of service, So all those factors, you have to sit down and discuss what we want to do, how much money is required, how many years will it take, and to reach to that particular sum of requirement, how much saving is required every month and annually. Now tally up loans, debts, expenses, and talk about how can you shrink this number. પર્ટિક્યુલરલી આ બધું જે દેવાવાળું જે કામ છે ખર્ચાઓવાળું કામ છે ખર્ચાને કઈ રીતે આપણે એકદમ ઓછામાં ઓછો કરી શકીએ. Discuss overall spending behaviors and ways to save and commit to going forward as a family with your financial goals in mind. It should be very, very clear. Children are small, problem nahi hoga, but when you got adult children and particularly married, this should be very, very open, transparent. सबको सबके साथ बिठा करके सब बातें करनी चाहिए. No secrets at all. Next, please. Next, make a game. This becomes a game. Once you are committed to lowering your debt or saving a certain amount, have fun doing it. કોઈ પણ વસ્તુ તમે વિચાર કરી નાખી કે હવે આપણે આ વસ્તુ આપણી જો લોન છે આ દેવું છે કઈ રીતે ઓછું કરવું એના પછી તમે બધા બેસીને વિચારો અને start doing it. Find out the requirements and compare the prices. You can make use of sales, mailer, discount offers for shopping. However, you may end up shopping unnecessary items. આ બધા buy one get 2 free and આ બધામાં never get involved into this. I have done it sometimes, but what do you do? થોડા વધુ કપડા લઈને તમે તમારા વોર્ડરોબમાં મૂકો છો અને પછી તમે પહેરતા જ નથી. You spend the money unnecessarily, extra money. So be a very wise person, thrifty, karkasar, trevor. Make it a game means the whole financial aspect becomes a game. I mean, when you all together are there, first day I just said, कि family ની અંદર there is one destination. આપણો જે મુકામ જે છે આપણે જ્યાં જવાનું છે જે આપણી અને જે રસ્તો છે જે યાત્રા છે it is just one. We all travel together on the same path toward the same destination, and the destination can be on all those 7 aspects, that rainbow aspect which we just discussed. Can be about our physical health, can be about the career prospect, can be about financial, can be social, anything. It can be about children, it can be spiritual matter. Therefore, it becomes a game. A game you can't play alone. In cricket, you require 11 members. In all other games, kabaddi or kho-kho or hockey, you require certain number of players in both the teams. Same way in family also, family team is required. All the adult members, they are the team members. Next, next please. Have a little stash. આ બહુ જરૂરી છે. બધા જ પૈસા પછી તમે બેંકમાં નાખી દો અને કટોકટી જેટલા જ પૈસા મહિનાની અંદર ઘર ચલાવવા રાખો અને પછી તમને કઈ મન થઈ જાય તો શું કરો તમે? થોડી નાની મોટી બચત દરેકે પોતાની પાસે રાખવી જોઈએ. માય વાઇફ ઓલ્સો યુઝ ટુ ધ સેમ થિંગ. I never had money, but ठीक है, थोड़े से पैसे होते थे, मुझे कभी मांगने में शर्म नहीं आती थी, तो I used to ask money from others. Secret hoarding is not bad. थोड़े से पैसे, couple of thousands of rupees, 5, 6, 10, 30, 40,000 rupees, हर महीने जो आपको मंथली मिलता है मेंटेनेंस के लिए घर में, उसमें से कुछ न कुछ आप बचाते रहिए. Keep it in your wardrobe. સાડીની અંદર તમે બચાવીને રાખો. You must have a secret bank account also. But write down in your diary that this is your bank account. At least put the name of nomination. Who is a nominated person in your bank account. So little stash is required. That gives you some sort of secret enjoyment. And mind you, it helps you certain times. In rainy days when you look around and you don't find any money coming forward, your wife or somebody else, your children will come to, yes, daddy, I have got something saved up from my pocket money. Do you need it? So this money is an additional help to you, and this money can be used just for your happiness also. After all, we must remain happy. Sometimes spend the money. एकदम कंजूस न बनी जैसो जिंदगी अंदर. Little money, it's a part of your budget. Next, please. Get help. I just said, I'm not an economist. But ઘણી બધી ચીજો મેં વાંચતા હોય એટલે પછી શું કરવું થોડી ખબર પડી જતી હોય. But whenever you want to do some investment, you are earning a huge amount of money, there is no problem. You must take the help of money advisor. जो अच्छा बंदा है, chartered accountant. Any case, whoever is making your income tax return, you can take his help and plan your financial aspects of your life. Next, please. Apply thrift always. કરકસર અને કરકસર. મેં કહ્યું કે જો આંખો મીચીને તમે જો વાપરવા જ માંડો, ખર્ચવા માંડો, તો એક સમય એવો આવશે કે કુબેર ભાઈનો પણ ભંડાર છે ને એની નીચેનું તળિયું તમને દેખાશે. So we are nobody at all. I given you my own purchase rules. This I formed these rules when I was almost about 30 years old. And I'm following it strictly now. Whenever I want to buy something, I ask 3 questions to myself. Hello, do I need? ખરેખર મારે આની જરૂરત છે? મોટા ભાગે ઘણી બધી વસ્તુની જરૂર નથી હોતી. Like clothes. If I got 4, 5 pants, why should I buy another pant? But कई दफा ऐसा लगता है कोई चीज अच्छी लग जाती है, कोई स्टाइल अच्छा लगता है, तो you just think, मन के अंदर आइडिया आता है, विचार आता है कि चलो ये भी खरीद लेते हैं. होता है, ये तो आएगा. You can't stop the ideas. मोदी साहब ने लॉकडाउन तो कर दिया पूरे देश के अंदर, बट हमारे दिमाग को लॉकडाउन करके तो देख ले. If our Supreme Court tells us, orders us to lock down our mind, not possible. दिमाग के अंदर तो ये सब आइडिया आते ही रहेंगे. और ये जो हमारे sensual organs है, whenever you see something, whenever you hear something, whenever you read something about something, you want to buy it. So ask this question. ખરેખર મને આ વસ્તુની જરૂર છે કે નહીં? Second important question, can I afford it? શું આ વસ્તુ ખરીદવાના પૈસા મારી પાસે છે? Easy money કે પછી મારે લોન લેવી પડશે? Third, which is very important part of positive health, positivity, happiness. Will this purchase enhance my happiness? આ જો વસ્તુ ખરીદીશ તો આનાથી શું મારી ખુશી એકદમ વધી જશે? Sit down, wait for 2-3 days, ask, keep on asking this question. I generally drive WagonR. Since last 3 decades I'm driving WagonR. My children, everybody says, why don't you move up? मैंने कहा, why, what for? I want to go from place A to place B. I want a small vehicle. It is a powerful vehicle. It gives me 120 kilometers speed or hour, and I go on the express highway. I can maneuver it. Reverse લઉં છું, મને પાછળથી સરસ રીતે દેખાય છે. Its rooftop is so good. If I buy another vehicle, will it increase my happiness? Answer comes no. Anything, my dear friends, maybe a young or adult or whatever it is, ladies particularly, ask these 3 questions. क्या इस वस्तु की जरूरत है? क्या ये वस्तु लेने से मेरा जो फाइनेंशियल प्लानिंग है उसके अंदर फिट आती है? थर्ड, ये वस्तु लेने के बाद क्या मेरी हैप्पीनेस, मेरा आनंद है वो क्या बढ़ जाएगा? Then you see the answer is yes, go ahead. But when you are in one ashram, the answer to the third question will be definitely no. अभी क्या पहनना, क्या खाना, ठीक है, we are not old, we want to enjoy our life, but ये जो भौतिक चीजें ऐसे उसमें से कोई हमें मजा नहीं मिलेगी. So apply thrift, my dear friend. કરકસર, કરકસર અને કરકસર. એવું સરસ કહેવત છે. અમે 2 ભાઈ છીએ અને ત્રીજો ભાઈ ત્રેવડ. ગુજરાતીમાં કહીએ છીએ ત્રેવડ ત્રીજો ભાઈ. 2 ભાઈ કમાતા હોય અને તમે જો ત્રેવડ કરો તો તમારી સંપત્તિ, આ ત્રીજો ભાઈ છે ત્રેવડ, એની પણ ઇન્કમ તમારી અંદર દાખલ થઈ જશે. Remember this. Next please. Golden rules of family finance. પહેલો રૂલ તો બહુ સિમ્પલ છે, which we don't follow. કારણ કે દરેક જગ્યાથી બહુ ઈઝી લોન મળતી હોય છે. લોકો ઘરે આવીને લોન આપી જાય છે કે તમે ખરીદી લો ને 2 વ્હીલર્સ, સરસ મજાનું 60-70,000 ની અંદર તમને મોટરસાયકલ મળે છે. બહુ ઈઝી હપ્તા, EMI સરળ હપ્તાઓમાં. અને પછી what we do, we spend more than what we earn. આપણી જે ઇન્કમ જે છે, આપણી જે આવક છે એનાથી આપણે વધુ ખર્ચીએ છીએ. All the debit card, credit card, all these things, when you see you don't have money but that card is there and you just buy it, and that money to in any case you have to pay it back sometimes, they'll charge the interest. The simple rule, જેટલું કમાવો છો ને એનાથી ઓછું તમે વાપરો. Second, always plan for the future. Always you should plan for the future. હું નાનો હતો ને એક બહુ સરસ મજાની વાર્તા મારી બા મને કહેતી. સુગરી અને વાંદરાની બંને એક જ ઝાડ ઉપર રહેતા હતા અને ઘણા વર્ષો સુધી એક જ ઝાડ ઉપર રહ્યા એટલે બંને દોસ્ત પણ હતા, બે સાથે વાત કરતા હતા. અને વાંદરાભાઈ દરરોજ જુએ કે આમ સુગરી અહીંથી અહીં જાય અને એક જ પ્રકારનો તણખલો, that straw she brings along અને પછી સરસ મજાનો એનો માળો બનાવે. By the way, સુગરીનો જ માળો તમે લોકો જોયો, it is called a weaver bird's nest होता है. It is a fantastic piece of architecture. સુગરીનો માળો એવો હોય કે એની અંદર ન હવા પણ જઈ શકે, ન લાઇટ પણ જઈ શકે અને ન પાણીનું એક ટીપું પણ જઈ શકે. સુગરીનો માળો એક જ એવો માળો છે પક્ષીઓની અંદર કે જેની અંદર there are 2 rooms and there are 2 gates, in gate and out gate. So in case of danger they can escape from another door. તો વાંદરો દરરોજ જોવે કે આ શું માથાકૂટ કરે છે, તું શા માટે આ બનાવે છે, કે આઈ એમ ડુઈંગ ફોર ધ ફ્યુચર, कुछ तो करना पड़ेगा. ठंड के अंदर रक्षा करनी पड़ेगी, बारिश के अंदर, नहीं तो પછી આપણે બહાર ઠરી જઈએ. એટલે ટાઢ, તાપ અને વરસાદ આ ત્રણની અંદર રક્ષા કરવા માટે આ માળાની બહુ જરૂર છે. તમે પણ આ માળો બનાવો અને પર્ટિક્યુલરલી જ્યારે ઈંડો આવે, બાળકો આવે ત્યારે માળાની બહુ જરૂર છે. વાંદરો બહુ યુઝ ટુ લાફ ઇટ આઉટ. અને પછી જ્યારે વરસાદ આવ્યો અને પછી વાંદરાભાઈ, અને એ વખતે થોડી ઠંડી પણ હતી અને વાંદરાભાઈ ડાળ ઉપર બેઠા હતા થરથરતા અને પછી છોકરીએ પૂછ્યું જોયું આ બાળો મારો કેવી રીતે કામમાં આવે છે તમે પણ તમારા માટે કંઈક આવું કંઈ ને કંઈ કર્યો હોત કંઈ પ્લાનિંગ સમવેર સમ સોર્ટ ઓફ શેલ્ટર તો આ રીતે તમારે ઠંડીની અંદર વરસાદની અંદર ધ્રુજવું ન પડે So some planning for the future, it is required. There are two ways. I give you another example. Mahatma Gandhi went to South Africa and then he became a very good barrister. He was much better than other Western barristers also. His life standard was very high. He used to earn quite a lot of money. And then somebody went and took insurance for his children and everybody. Life insurance. But after 1 year or so, he realized, why do I require the insurance scheme? એનો મતલબ એ થયો કે હું મારી જાત ઉપર મારી પત્ની ઉપર અને મારા છોકરા માટે જો વીમો ઉતારું છું એનો મતલબ આઈ ડોન્ટ હેવ ટ્રસ્ટ ઓન ગોડ જ્યારે આપણે દરેક વખતે વાત કરી રહ્યા છીએ કીડીને કણ અને હાથીને મન તો ઉપરવાળો આપતો જ રહેશે every time he is providing us what we need. So what am I doing? Why do I have this insurance scheme? And then one day he called that insurance agent and he said, my dear friend, just cancel this. He said, Gandhi, if you cancel, you'll be at a loss, no problem. Let me forgo some part of the money. But I want to cancel this because I have got full trust on my account. So on one side, that particular idea of Mahatma Gandhi is there, where you just trust everything. નરસિંહ મહેતાની જેમ આ તો પછી મીરાબાઈની જેમ બધું જ એના ઉપર મૂકી દો તમે અને બીજી બાજુ તમે એકદમ તમારા પોતાના પર તમારા છોકરા પર વિશ્વાસ ન કરો અને બધું જ દરેક વસ્તુ માટે પ્રોવિઝન કરીને જાઓ why should I make lots of provision for my children? Why? મારે મારા છોકરાઓ માટે કેમ બંગલો અને ઘર બનાવીને જવાનું હોય? If I could survive myself, I mean they will also survive. They look up to themselves. Plan for the future, but do not go to the extremes. Come down at some level. ये तो याद रखना जरूरी है मैन प्रपोजेस गॉड डिस्पोजेस हम कुछ भी हमारी कई भी स्कीम होगी उस स्कीम के मुताबिक काम होगा कि नहीं होगा वी डू नॉट नो एट ऑल मेक योर मनी मेक मोर मनी पैसो पैसाने ખેંચી લાવે આ વસ્તુ મેં જોઈ છે provided you invest wisely if you do not invest wisely અને પછી ઉડાવ થઈ જાવ તો પછી પૈસો ફટાફટ જતો રહેશે સસલાની જેમ think about it whatever savings you have how to invest it if you don't understand it take somebody's help but invest it wisely there are so many corrupt people also do not give away your money to them hard earned money ऐसे चला जाएगा पता भी नहीं चलेगा हम रोते रह जाएंगे there are so many companies Muthu Finance or this of finance I don't know क्या क्या है think about these people first before you invest that next unnecessary spending you see the idea of money management technique is basically to reduce that spending कई एक दफा ऐसा हो जाता है we do spend sometimes हम सोचे समझे बिना या तो हम जो सोचते हैं बाद में पूरी सिचुएशन हालात एकदम बदल जाती है तो our money goes for a six I've seen in army life that so many times my friends from the army wherever we get posting we just change the place 2 या at the most 2.5 साल रहते हैं 2.5 साल फैमिली रहती है 2 साल के अंदर तो हम we just go from place A to B to C like just like that and wherever we go if we find something some place of some plot of land or something we buy just keep it यहाँ घर बनाएंगे and then by the end of 20 years of service there are so many officers who have got plots at various places in all over India and then it becomes difficult to manage all these things how can you go over there and handle that affair so it is not a wise investment that money that gets locked sometimes and it gives you a lot of headache. I'll say it is unnecessary spending. So whatever spending, particularly big spending, take your own sweet time, sit down together, months, keep on discussing, particularly घर कहाँ बनाना है, बिजनेस कौन सा बिजनेस शुरू करना है, कहाँ शुरू करना है, what sort of expertise is required, who can be our partner, financial partner. So many things. આનંદ ઉતાવળે આંબા ન પાકે. So just think over it. Every financial transaction आप जो करते हैं, from 1 rupee to 1 lakh or 1 crore rupees, it should be worth the expense and a return તમને મળવો જોઈએ. Next. How to save? Saving is very important. Avoid any expense that appeals to vanity or snobbery. ફક્ત તમારા ઈગોને અથવા તો તમારા નેબરની પાસે છે, તમારો નેબર फ्लैट स्क्रीन लावे छे 39 40 जो भी है, the highest range जो भी होगी, it may cover the whole wall, and when you see that and you see अरे मारा नेबर ની પાસે આ છે ને મારી પાસે નથી, and then you buy it. No. Why do you require it? મારા નેબર ની પાસે આ કાર છે ને મારી પાસે નથી. Such expenses, my dear friend, if you got crores of rupees lying over there, if you are from Birla and Tata's family or anybody, carry on doing it. I am not advising you. But you are just one of me only from our own group. Think about it. Spending of money is entirely our business. That must appeal us, and there is no comparison with anybody. कि બીજા કોઈની પાસે આવું છે એટલે મારે આમ કરવું જોઈએ. બીજા કોઈને બતાવવા માટે કે yes, I can do this. Don't do that. There was a story, एक मियाँ भाई थे, बड़े गरीब थे, छोटी सी अपनी झोंपड़ी थी, पर पता नहीं कहीं कोई अच्छा काम किया तो किसी ने उसको एक गोल्डन रिंग दे दी. तो એને બહુ આતુરતા ઉત્સુકતા હતી કે મારી પાસે આ ગોલ્ડન રિંગ છે, સોનાની રિંગ, સરસ મજાની, બધાને કેવી રીતે બતાવું હવે, હાઉ ટુ ડુ ઇટ. ही couldn't find. एक दो दिन वो सोचता ही रहा कि मारे आ तो बताવું જ પડશે કે जी I'm such a rich fellow, golden ring. Finally got a bloody stupid idea. He burnt his hut. आग लगा दी. And when people gathered over there, he was pointing with his index finger. Just see, my heart is burning, my heart is burning. And people are looking at the hurt also, as well as at the watch, at the ring, golden ring. So such foolish ideas, please stop it. Always go for the most cost-effective alternative. Cost-effective alternative. પણ એટલું બધું પણ ચીકણાપણું નહીં કરવાનું. I have seen so many ladies going to clothes stores and फटाफट આ સાડી निकालो, આ સાડી निकालो, આ સાડી निकालो. Within 10-15 minutes, almost more than 100 સાડીઓ એકદમ ખુલ્લી પડી હશે અને ફટાકથી પછી ત્યાંથી નીકળી જશે. Cost effective means just find out, do some sort of research at your own home, establish what you want to buy, અને કઈ વસ્તુ કઈ જગ્યાએથી ખરીદવામાં ફાયદો થશે તમે જોઈએ. Favor expenditures on interest-bearing items over all others. ऐसी आइटम्स आप खरीदे कि जो बाद में आपको अच्छा सा रिटर्न दे. And lastly, establish the expected benefits of every desired expenditure using the canon of plus minus nil to standard of living value system. ये आइटम એવી ખરીદો કે જે તમને બહુ મજા આવે, તમારું જે લિવિંગ સ્ટાન્ડર્ડ છે, તમારી જીવન જીવવાની જે પદ્ધતિ છે એની અંદર તમને આનંદ પણ આપે, and budget wise also you should be able to afford it. So if you do this, that will fit into your budget scheme. Next please. These are the mistakes we do mostly. Big tax refund every year. Tax refund કરવા માટે પછી આપણે એટલા બધા ઇન્વેસ્ટમેન્ટ કરીએ છીએ, આ કરીએ છીએ, અને પછી મંથલી મેન્ટેનન્સ માટે આપણે કોઈ પૈસા જ નથી રાખતા. કારણ કે આપણું, અરે ભાઈ, you are earning money, income is increasing, so why don't you pay the tax? What is the problem? What's the problem to pay the tax? Tell me. Higher the income, higher the tax. It's a very simple thing. તમારી પાસે ગાડી છે, જેટલા કિલોમીટર તમે વધુ ચલાવશો એટલું પેટ્રોલ તમારે નાખવું પડશે. તો સિમિલરલી યુ anywhere when the things go higher, you're supposed to spend higher to maintain that. Income is higher, tax will be more. અને પછી ટેક્સ બચાવવા માટે બધા પૈસા તમે ઇન્વેસ્ટ કરી નાખો and you don't live your life, don't do that. Next please. ST. Next. Not next, इससे पहले वाली ना, mistakes, money making mistakes. Yeah. So think about your normal monthly expenditure also. Enjoy your life and at the same time do some tax saving. મોટાભાગના લોકોને ખબર જ નથી હોતી કે એમના પૈસા કેવી રીતે આવે છે. તો ખબર છે બેંકમાં આવી જાય એમની સેલેરી કે જે પણ ઇન્કમ હોય, પણ કઈ રીતે જાય છે ખબર નથી હોતી. એટલા માટે you must have a budget even at home level also. Small things, કેટલા વેજીટેબલ્સમાં, કેટલા ફ્રૂટમાં, કેટલા નોર્મલ મેન્ટેનન્સમાં, ટીવી બીવી, આ બધા ખાકા તો आपको याद होना चाहिए. Rough figures. I'm not talking about monies and paisas and other things, no, but you should be able to just say yes, in a month I'm spending 1,000 rupees for milk, 1,000 rupees for fruits, what 2,000 rupees for the vegetables, 5,000 rupees for the groceries, 5,000 rupees for the petrol. That whole thing in a month, it should be there. Then only you can plan properly. And આ બધાનો તમને આ બધા વિશે તમને કોઈ આઈડિયા જ ન હોય તો how do you plan that? How do you make up or down કે અહીંયા ખર્ચ ઓછો કરું, અહીંયા હું વધારું? Have a proper idea where money goes. Forgetting those non-monthly expenses. કઈક દફા આપણને ખબર હોય છે, આપણે પ્લાન કરેલું હોય છે, કોઈની શાદીમાં જવાનું, કુટુંબની અંદર કોઈની શાદી છે, તમારે એને કંઈક ગિફ્ટ આપવી પડશે, તો કોઈ બહાર જવું પડશે, સમથિંગ. આ બધા જે એક્સપેન્સિવ છે દરેક મહિના નથી આવતા. They are not regular, but they come and you know about this plan. So plan that expenditure in advance. Spending more than you need બીજા લોકોને બતાવવા માટેની જરૂર નથી, જરાય જરૂર નથી. બસ જરૂરત છે ત્યાં જ કરો. અને એ તો આપણે કહી જ નાખ્યું પહેલા વાત કરી કે કોઈ પણ વખતે તમારી જે આવક છે એનાથી વધુ ખર્ચ ન થવો જોઈએ. ઇનફેક્ટ એનાથી દરેક વખતે ઓછો થવો જોઈએ, જેથી તમે બચત કરી શકો. लिविंग पेचेक पेचेक, इट इज जस्ट लाइक बंदर भाई की बात है. जब ताती आती है तो इधर उधर कुत्ते रहते हैं, एक पेड़ से दूसरे पेड़, एक टहनी से दूसरे टहनी, कोई ये छत से, कोई ये छत से उस छत में. That is, it's okay for the animals, but not for we people, you know. જેટલા પૈસા આવ્યા અને પછી ચલાવી દીધું. We cannot work like a daily laborers. Even the daily laborers also now who just got stranded, I'm certain they have got money. And particularly the money is there with the families in the states wherever they are living it. But some sort of advanced future planning need to be done. In such a case, saving, I'll come to that. At least saving liquid cash.
યશવંત સર, તમારો વોઇસ નથી આવી રહ્યો. યશવંત સર હમણાં ફરીથી આવશે. હમણાં એમનો નેટવર્ક ઇશ્યુ થયો છે.
For all the participants, Colonel Joshi is connecting back again. I'm on call with him. Please wait for a minute.